gonna be reviewing this robot that we're gonna build. Those for Archer's birthday, but I really wanted to build it, and it looks really fun. So first, we're gonna unbox the card. This part is the instructions. I did this part yesterday night. The front of the box, it showed the spikes up, so that's why I put these cardboard spikes up. And I don't know what we do of this part, and this part was the part that I finished last night. And here is a cord. This is looking cool. We finished the robot, so this is where the battery is. This is the motor. This is a twisty thing. I don't know what it's for, but here's the turn on switch. You push it this way if you want it to turn off, but if you push it this way, it will turn on. And the mouth, like, it can like eat some of your toys if you have small toys. Turn them on. That's our video, so I hope you guys enjoy.